everyone, my name is Shreya. Today I am going to do an activity of lesson number 8, folding and unfolding, question number 12. In the first question figure, the arrow is going from right to left, so we will also fold this right to left. In the second question figure, the arrow is going from left to right, so we will also fold this from left to right. Now in the third question figure, there is a small rectangular, so we will cut that part. But we will first divide this in this like. Now I will cut this. Now we divide like this. Now we will unfold this. Like this question figure, we will see in only option C. So our correct answer is option C. Thank you.